Ever wondered what makes the bosses pick one employee over others for that coveted promotion? We're about to embark on a fascinating journey, shedding light on the very traits that catch the boss's eye. We'll be revealing valuable insights that can potentially transform your career trajectory. Are you curious about the secret recipe for success in the corporate world? We're on the cusp of spilling the beans, so buckle up as we delve into the traits that might just be your ticket to the next promotion. First up, leadership skills. Bosses love employees who can take charge and inspire others. When we talk about leadership, it's not about having a title or a designated position. It's about taking responsibility, making decisions, and most importantly, inspiring others. Leadership skills are a valuable trait that many bosses look for when considering promotions. So, what does leadership in the workplace entail? Let's break it down. First and foremost, a good leader knows how to delegate tasks effectively. They understand the strengths and weaknesses of their team and distribute tasks accordingly. This not only ensures that the work is done efficiently, but also helps in building a strong and balanced team. For instance, if you're leading a project, delegating tasks based on your team members' expertise can yield better results and also boost their confidence. Next up, decision-making. A leader is someone who can make decisions under pressure. They weigh the pros and cons, take calculated risks, and make decisions that benefit the team and the organization as a whole. Imagine you're in a situation where a tough call needs to be made quickly. If you can step up, analyze the situation, and make a sound decision, you're demonstrating strong leadership. Lastly, and perhaps most importantly, a leader inspires others. They set a positive example, motivate their team, and create an environment that fosters growth and innovation. A leader isn't just someone who gives orders, they're someone who others aspire to emulate. They foster a can-do attitude and encourage their team to rise above challenges. For example, if a project is facing setbacks, a leader wouldn't just focus on the problem. They would motivate their team, highlight the lessons learned, and guide towards a solution. This approach not only addresses the issue at hand but also inspires the team to view challenges as opportunities for growth. So, if you're looking to climb the corporate ladder, start by honing your leadership skills. Show your boss that you can take charge, make decisions, and inspire your team to deliver their best. Remember, a great leader doesn't just command, they inspire. Moving on to the second trait, initiative. A proactive employee is always a step ahead. What exactly does this mean? Well, imagine you're on a hike and there's a fallen tree blocking the path. Do you wait for someone else to move it, or do you take the lead? In the context of the workplace, taking initiative refers to the ability to identify and act on opportunities or challenges without being instructed to do so. Taking the initiative goes beyond just doing your assigned tasks. It's about looking at the bigger picture, identifying potential problems before they occur, and coming up with solutions. For instance, if you notice a process that's inefficient, instead of just complaining about it, you could research alternative methods and propose a more efficient solution. Taking the initiative also means implementing new ideas without being asked. It's about being proactive, not reactive. Instead of waiting for someone to tell you what to do, you take the lead and do what needs to be done. This not only helps the company but also shows your potential as a leader. Now, some might worry that taking initiative could be seen as overstepping boundaries. But remember, it's not about taking over someone else's job. It's about contributing to the overall success of the team and the company. And most importantly, it's about showing that you're not just an employee, but a valuable asset who can bring fresh ideas to the table. Also, taking initiative doesn't always mean making grand gestures. It can be as simple as taking the time to learn a new skill that would benefit your role, or helping a colleague who's struggling with a task. Every little action counts. So, why is initiative such an important trait? Because it shows that you're motivated, self-driven, and that you have the ability to think outside the box. These are all qualities that bosses look for when considering promotions. In conclusion, taking initiative is a clear sign of your dedication and commitment to not just your job, but to the success of the company as a whole. It's a testament to your ability to lead and your capacity to bring about positive change. So don't wait for instructions. Take the initiative and stand out. Next up, reliability. Can your boss count on you? That's the question. When it comes to the workplace, reliability is like a golden ticket. It's a trait that can elevate you from being a good employee to a great one. Why is that? Well, imagine you're a boss. You have numerous tasks, responsibilities, projects, and deadlines to manage. Now, wouldn't it be a relief to have someone on your team who you can trust to deliver every single time without fail? Being reliable doesn't just mean showing up on time. Yes, punctuality is a part of it, but it's not the whole picture. Reliability is about meeting deadlines consistently, producing quality work persistently, and maintaining a steady performance, regardless of the circumstances. It's about being a rock in the stormy sea of business, an anchor that keeps the ship steady. Think of it this way: reliability is like a bridge. It connects trust and responsibility. If you're reliable, your boss can trust you with more responsibilities. This can lead to more opportunities, more visibility, and yes, you guessed it, more chances of getting promoted. But how can you demonstrate reliability? It starts with the small things. Meet your deadlines, be punctual, maintain the quality of your work, and don't make promises you can't keep. If you say you're going to do something, do it. If you commit to a deadline, meet it. If you're tasked with a project, complete it to the best of your abilities. Remember, reliability is not about perfection. It's about consistency. It's about being someone your boss can count on day in and day out. It's about being dependable, trustworthy, and steady. It's about being the kind of employee who, when the going gets tough, gets going. In essence, being reliable is being trustworthy. It's about proving that you can be counted on, no matter what. It's about showing that you can handle responsibility, that you can be trusted with important tasks, and that you can deliver results consistently. Being reliable is being trustworthy. And who doesn't want a trustworthy employee? The fourth trait, being a team player. It's all about we and not just me. Now let's talk about the importance of being a team player. In any organization, no matter how large or small, teamwork is essential. It's the glue that holds everything together. It's the fuel that lets ordinary people achieve extraordinary results. And it's one of the key traits that bosses look for when considering promotions. Being a team player means collaborating effectively with others. It means understanding that a group of people working together can achieve more than any individual working alone. It's about recognizing the strengths of your colleagues and leveraging those strengths to reach common goals. It's about being open to new ideas, accepting feedback, and sharing your own insights to drive the team forward. But let's dive deeper. Being a team player isn't just about working well with others, it's also about contributing to group tasks. It's about taking responsibility and stepping up when necessary. It's about sharing the load and not shying away from challenges. It's about being an active participant, not a passive observer. And let's not forget the importance of supporting your colleagues. This goes beyond just helping out with tasks. It's about being there for them, lending a listening ear when they're struggling, and celebrating their successes. It's about building each other up, not tearing each other down. It's about creating an environment where everyone feels valued and appreciated. So how do you become a better team player? Start by being more open and communicative. Share your thoughts and ideas and listen to what others have to say. Show appreciation for your colleagues' contributions and never hesitate to lend a hand when needed. Remember, a team is like a puzzle. Each piece is unique and important, and without one, the picture is incomplete. In the end, being a team player isn't just about getting the job done, it's about fostering a positive work environment, building strong relationships, and achieving shared success. It's about understanding that the power of we is always greater than me. After all, together everyone achieves more. And there we have it, the 4 traits bosses look for when promoting employees. In our journey today, we've unraveled the core elements that can potentially catapult your career to greater heights. Let's take a moment to recap what we've discovered. First, a spotlight on leadership skills. Remember, being a leader isn't just about being in charge, but about inspiring and guiding others towards a common goal. It's about owning the vision and steering the team in the right direction. Then we moved on to, it's all about being proactive, not reactive. Show your boss that you can identify opportunities and take action without being asked. It's about stepping up to the plate and making things happen. Next, we delved into the realm of reliability. Being dependable is non-negotiable. It's about being someone your team can count on, someone who delivers consistently and meets deadlines. Your reliability can make you an invaluable asset to your organization. Lastly, we highlighted the importance of being a team player. It's not just about individual achievements, but about how you contribute to the team's success. Collaboration, communication, and mutual respect play a pivotal role here. As you move forward in your career, keep these 4 traits at the forefront of your professional development. They are not just qualities bosses look for, they are the building blocks of a successful professional persona. So, are you ready for that promotion? Start demonstrating these traits today and make your mark. And don't forget to subscribe for more career-boosting tips.